Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes Windows 11 search bar lagging 5 easy fixes. First method is clear search history. Second method is restart Windows Explorer. Third method is change services settings. Fourth method is disable stir-up apps. Fifth method is run PowerShell command. Sixth method is update Windows. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.